Hello friends, how you doing? Hope you're doing very well. And today I'm here with the new strategy, the MACD, and it is called like the MACD 50 high one, not the close SMA. So we're gonna try the 50 moving average with the high, not with the close. Normally it comes with the if you see, it comes normally default the moving averages with the close, but we're gonna put it on the high one, and we'll keep the MACD as simple it is in default. mm, so this MACD strategy and 50 SMA with a high, it's working for the scalping. It is a scalping strategy which you can use for the scalping for the daily basis, and you will see it's quite accurately gonna give you the profit, and you will like it. You should try this one first on the demo, and then you can go for the live and with the live trade with your real account. Okay, so let's get to the strategy. um, First we're gonna go to the indicators right here. Okay, and if you see, just a normal moving average I have in my favorite list. Okay, we're gonna put the moving average first here, and I'll show you how to do the setting for the moving average, which you can see it's here on my chart with the blue line over on the price. So we're gonna change the setting. We'll come to the length. It is 9, but we will bring it on 50 and not apply on the close. Keep in mind, not apply on the close. The source will be on the high. Okay, right here you can see you put it on the high, and you can see in the background. Okay, there we have now the 50 high one, the moving average. Okay, and now the second thing, you will bring the MACD on your chart, and the same, you have to go back to the indicators right here in indicators and type here the MACD. Okay, MACD, MACD. Okay, there you see the MACD stands for the moving average conversions and diversions. Okay, so that's called MACD, MACD. Okay, so it covers the MACD, mostly it covers all the moving average and the conversions and the diversions as well. Okay, so in one indicator you find these four different things. These four different indicators which help you to determine the trend to the right direction. Okay, so let's just bring it on our chart, which I have already here. Okay, the MACD, there you see. Okay, here's my MACD and here's my price on the chart. Okay, let me bring it on the full screen so you can see very clearly. There it is. Okay, now hope you can see very clearly. Okay, uh this how it is work. The strategy, I'll tell you. First of all, you need to know about the trend. The trend direction is upward or downwards. Okay, so as you heard about about the trend, always the trend is your friend. Flow with the direction of the trend. Okay, so whenever you're going with the trend direction, your strategy will work perfectly and you will never lose. Okay, but make sure, if you don't know about the trend in any, like in these kind of areas which you can see, I'm circling it right here. Okay, in this area you don't know the trend is which direction, so you have to wait. It doesn't work like it doesn't mean you have to take the trade every single time. There is a time for the trade, specific time where you can take your trades easily and without any losses. Okay, uh, okay, so let's get to the strategy. Whenever you see that the price is under, the candlesticks price is under the 50 moving average, the high one, as you can see here. Okay, Then you're gonna take the MACD crossover to the downwards. Okay, when it's crossover downwards, then you're gonna take your trade. Okay, it's a scalping type of strategy, or work for like a bit longer as well, but no, but mostly if you're scalping with the no risk, I mean less risk. Okay, so you can take this strategy very easily, and I'm sure it's gonna help you a lot in your trading and take your trading to the next level. Okay, so how does it? It's very easy and simple. I'm always bringing the simple and easy strategy to you guys for the newbie if they want to try these things, and they can easily success in their trades, and they can much more know about the trading strategy. As you can see right here, we're gonna start from any place, anywhere, any direction. You can scalp the market, or you can take your trades. It's very simple and easy. Look at there now, the price is under the 50 moving average, and here we're gonna do what? We will take only the crossover to the downwards right here in this point. Okay, right here in this point we take the crossover downwards. Like if you see the previous in this area, previously the markets make higher the high. Okay, as you can see right this point, and then you see the MACD is crossing downwards. Okay, so what you have to do if you're taking this trade, so make sure the price should come under this one when the candle close below the 50 moving average. Okay, and then the crossover is here, you take this trade. Okay, so take this trade, and the stop loss will be just above the previous high, as you can see there. Okay, at this point. Okay, and this is your position for the short. Okay, so in the scalping you can take the trade, and it's gonna be a winning trade, if you can see in the chart. Okay, and it depends on how much profit you are happy with. Okay, so you can take that profit, or otherwise you can keep the trade for long. You can see here, even it didn't touch the stop loss up there, and it's dropped down again the market. Okay, and somewhere when you see the crossover again to the upwards, and you are worried about the trade to be not go in the wrong direction, so what you have to do, you can easily take exit from this trade, this crossover to this crossover. Okay, so you can take easily exit here as well. So that's work for your scalping trade. Okay, and then again you have to wait for the trend. Again you have to wait for the pullback. It doesn't mean you can just take the trade to upwards again. If you take this trade to the upwards, might it work for you, but sometimes it's really doesn't work because the trend is downwards. Okay, so always, if you heard that the trend is your friend, okay, so make the trend friend, and you're gonna be consistently become a profitable trader. Okay, and here again you can see it's went up there, and if you take this trade to not from this point, okay, the crossover, but the price is still below the 50 moving average, so you don't have to take this trade. Wait for the price, and to give you the right confirmation uh, to the right direction, then you can trade. Because even if the price goes over the 50 for some short time, it doesn't mean the trend is changed. The trend is quite from long, it's a downwards trend, as you can see. And here again you can see it's a double top pattern, which called the M pattern as well. And the price, once you see the price, the candles close below the 50 moving average. Okay, and then you see the MACD crossover here, so this is your sell signal. Okay, so you can short the market from here to the next one, right this point. Okay, so you can see how nice and beautifully you can take profit from the market. And then again, if you go more further or backwards in the market, in your chart, then you see the strategy crossing over, price is below. Again, we are with the trend direction. We keep in mind you have to be with the trend direction. Okay, so this is the place where you wait for the price already below the 50 moving average, but you have to wait confirmly to cross this one, the MACD. Okay, okay, the crossover happens right just this point. Okay, and we are sure about it's already done the crossover, so we can jump in this candle. Okay, and our stop loss will be above the previous high. Okay, this point. Okay, so let's see, it's again a winning trade. Okay, as long you can stay, but the make sure it's a scalping one, so you have to take exit right at this crossover place. Okay, so from here till here you have quite good enough profit. And again, you see here it's crossing upwards, but it's like a dancing on each other, up and down, up and down. But the always with the trend direction, as I told you, my friends, you have to be with the trend direction, then you never lose money in this market. Okay, here again you see the crossover happens, the price is below the 50 moving average, and then you can see another winning trade. So that's how and that much is the simple strategy I brought for you guys. So hope you like it, and make sure before you go on a live and a real account, you try these things on demo account. Once you get master in this one, then you better try in your real one. Okay, first try in demo and then become try in your real account. Okay, so make sure I've been doing trading for quite 5 years, quite long time. And with a channel just recently, I opened these channels to bring these new and profitable strategy to you guys, you friends, and you take the benefits and take profit from the market. Okay, so the channel is just new channel, so you guys gonna help me out to subscribe my channels, like and share with your friends. Okay, and very soon see you again with the new strategy. Thank you very much. God bless you.